Okay, ma. Listen. Exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. Question number 2. Subdivision 2. Okay, important question, ma. As well as interesting question also. Listen, first I will read the question, ma. I'm not going to write the question anymore. Okay, this question because it is very lengthy, right? So I will just read the question and explain you. 2 women and 5 men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay, again I repeat, 2 women, okay, 2 women and 5 men, okay, and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay, they are taking 4 days to finish a work. Okay, next sentence is, while 3 women, wait a minute, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Okay, they can finish it in 3 days. The same question I'm writing in simply, okay, can finish it in 3 days. Now, what they're asking us to find is, find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by 1 man alone. Okay, listen carefully, ma. Superb, interesting question. If you understand this question very clearly, okay, the questions related to this type of question, okay, this type you can easily do. So this one question, please listen very, very carefully. Just imagine, ma, just imagine there is a work which was given to a group of peoples. Okay, so this is first case. Okay, this is first case where 2 women and 5 men together they are doing the work. Okay, together they are doing the work. So totally how many persons are doing the work? 2 plus 5 is 7. So 2 women and 5 men, okay, doing the same work, and together they complete the work in how many days? 4 days. Okay, they are completing the work in 4 days. Now listen here, 3 in the next condition. Okay, this is one case. The second case is 3 women and 6 men together can do the same work. Okay, not the different work, the same work. If 3 women and 6 men are doing, means they are doing it in 3 days itself. They are completing the work in 3 days. It is absolutely, I would say, it is logically true, right? Because if the number of persons involved in a particular job is increased, means then the days they are taking to complete that work will reduce, right? Am I correct or wrong? For example, just imagine if 10 people are constructing a building, if they are taking 3 months to complete the building, means if 30 people are doing the same work, means 100% they will require minimum days to complete the same, okay, construction work. Yes or no? Please, you have to okay, just reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what we have to do is, listen, first we have to just see what they are asking in the question. They are asking us to find, okay, what is the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and 1 man alone to finish the work. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to consider, okay, the number of, listen carefully, ma, this is the first step of this question. Please all of you write solution. I'm going to start the sum. I'm going to take, let x be the number of days, okay, 1 woman alone, okay, sorry ma'am, let x be the number of days taken by 1 woman alone to complete the work. I'm going to just assume the number of days taken to complete the work by 1 woman alone, that I'm assuming it as x. Okay, listen carefully. So because the unknown only we have to, because what we have to find, that only we have to consider as the unknown, that is the variable x and y. So for that, let the number of days, please all of you write like this, ma, whatever I'm writing in the board. Let the number of days, okay, taken by, let the number of days taken by 1 woman. Let the number of days taken by 1 woman to 1 woman alone, okay, 1 woman alone to complete the work. Okay, complete the work. Bx. Okay, so which means 1 woman alone, if 1 woman alone is doing the work, means she takes x days to complete. She takes how many days to complete, ma? X days to complete. Very good. This is what this X only we have to find. That is our final aim. Okay. Now next sentence is again and the number of days taken by
one man.
very good one man alone. One man alone to complete the work. One man alone to complete the work. Complete the work. BY. Okay, BY. So Y days, which means the number of days taken by one man alone to complete the same work is Y days. So that is Y. So we have to find what is the value of X and what is the value of Y. So please write first. Okay, write. All of you complete this one.
Finished, sir.
Finished, Amma? Okay, very good. Now, okay, everyone finished, sir? Can I
No,
see?
sir.
Okay, right. I'll wait. Please wait. Okay, I'll wait, ma. Write fast. Have you all completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. So now I'm going to choose a different color to explain to you something. Okay, before proceeding to the next step. So whatever I'm writing in the green color now, okay, that is for your understanding. Okay, that is nothing to do with this particular question. Okay, if you understand these basic things, then you will easily understand this question. That is what I'm going to explain these things to you. Listen carefully, ma. Now just assume, okay, whatever I'm writing in the green is not for the it is not has to be written in, under this step. This is for your understanding. I'm explaining these things. Now see here, I have drawn a rectangle bar. Just assume this rectangle bar is a 5-star chocolate. Okay, this is a 5-star chocolate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this 5-star chocolate into 4 or okay 1 2 3 5 equal pieces. How many equal pieces I have divided, ma?
5.
5 equal pieces. I have divided okay the single 5-star chocolate into 5 equal parts. Now I'm taking 2 pieces out of these 5 equal pieces and giving to any one of you. Just assume. Now how to mention that okay amount of chocolate I have given to you in number? How will you mention that? How will you mention, ma? If I'm giving the entire chocolate means you can say, sir, okay, I'm giving one. I can tell you I'm giving one chocolate to you. But in that one chocolate, I have divided into 5 equal parts, and I'm taking just two pieces and giving to you. Which means what is the amount of chocolate I'm giving to you?
2 by 5. 2 pieces. 2 by 5.
2 by 5. Very good. So this is the basics of fractions, right? So the quantity of chocolate you received is 2 by 5. The quantity of chocolate you received is 2 by 5. You all know this, right? Do you remember these things?
Yeah.
Yes. Now again, listen carefully. Now we'll understand the next one then. Listen carefully. There is a tank. Okay, there is a tank. That is a container for storing water. Okay, this is a container for storing water, and there is a pipe at the top. Okay, of this container. Just assume this is a cylindrical container. Just assume this is a cylindrical container. Now, if the pipe is open, means it will take 4 hours to fill the entire tank. If the tank is empty means it will take how much hours to fill the tank, ma'am? 4 hours. So it takes 4 hours to fill the tank. Just imagine. Okay, now the next question is now at the end of 1 hour, I have told you this pipe requires when you switch on the pipe, it needs 4 hours to fill the completely fill the tank up to this portion. It needs how many hours to fill the tank? 4 hours. Now,
4 hours.
yeah, now you have to tell me the answer for this question. The question is, if you open the, that's tap, for only 1 hour, you are opening and closing, then you are closing the tap. So now in 1 hour, what portion of the tank will be filled?
1/4.
Super. Listen carefully, man. In 4 hours, it is filling the tank, means in 1 hour, it will fill up to this. In the second hour, it will fill up to this. In the third hour, it will fill up to this. In the fourth hour, it will fill the entire tank. Are you able to understand this? So this much portion will be filled with water in 1 hour. So that says in 1 hour, it can fill 1/4 of the tank. It can fill how many portions of the tank, ma?
1/4.
1/4 of the tank will be filled in 1 hour. Because this 4 we got it from, because it takes how many hours to fill the tank? 4 hours. 4 hours. If, listen carefully, this is very, very important. If the tank, takes 4, if the pipe takes 4 hours to fill the tank, means then the amount of water filled in the tank for 1 hour is 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 of the portion of the tank is filled in 1 hour. Yes or no? Similarly, see here. Now, similarly, here we have taken, the number of days taken to complete the work by one woman is X days. Listen, again I repeat, the number of days taken by one woman alone to complete the work is X days. Then I can say in 1 day, one woman can do 1/x of the work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You all understood, right? Very good, ma. Super. Right, students. Listen. Therefore, next step. This is what I'm going to do. Write it in black color. You have to write now. Therefore, we have taken, X days is the total number of days taken by one woman alone to complete the work. Likewise, Y is the total number of days taken by one man alone to complete the work. Therefore, work done by, listen carefully, work done by one woman alone. Work done by one woman alone. Work done by one woman alone for 1 day, in 1 day. In how many days, ma? In 1 day is equal to 1/x. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow, super. Listen. Likewise. And what is work done by one man alone in 1 day?
1/y.
1/y. Very good. So work done by one man alone in 1 day. Work done by one man alone in 1 day is equal to 1/y. You all understood this. Very good. Now listen carefully. So please write up to this. Please write up to this. Then I will proceed. Hereafter easy. Up to this, if you are able to understand, means then the few remaining steps are very, very easy. You will easily understand this one.
Finish, sir.
Okay, very good, ma. Listen now. So next step is very important. Now, please answer me. What is the amount of work done by one woman in 1 day is 1/x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Therefore, what is the amount of work done by two women in 1 day?
2/x.
2/x. Very good. That is 2 times 1/x. Listen carefully, ma. Because in question, listen, I will use the green pen to understand, to make you understand here. So, 2 women, listen, ma, 2 women, and 5 men together finishes the work in how many days, ma?
4 days.
4 days. This is given in the work. This is given in the question. Sorry, given in the question. Now, the amount of work done by, listen carefully, ma. The amount of work done by, sorry, ma. Please wait. So, since 2 women and 5 men takes 4 days to complete the work. 2 women and 5 men takes 4 days to complete the work. Therefore, what is the work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day? 1/4 of the work. Am I right? Because they together, that is 2 women and 5 men together, they takes 4 days to complete the work. Together takes how many days, ma, to complete the work? 4 days. So what is the work done by? Listen, ma, this is what you have tried it now using black. Okay, this is main thing. Therefore, what is the work done by? Listen, work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day. Together in 1 day. What is the work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day? That is equal to what is the answer, ma? Because both the 2 women and 5 men take 4 days to complete the work. Since they are taking 4 days to complete the work, in 1 day, how much work they will do? 1/4 of the work. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore, what is the answer? 1/4. Are you able to understand why it is coming as 1/4? Because of this 4 days. Because the total number of days they are taking to finish the work is 4 days. So in 1 day, they will complete 1/4 of the work. In 2 days, they will complete 2/4 of the work. In 3 days, they will complete 3/4 of the work. In 4 days, in the 4th day, they will complete 4/4. That is that is the whole work is completed. Therefore, work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is equal to 1/4. Are you able to understand this? If anybody have doubt, please ask. How it is coming 1/4? If you are not able to understand, means I will explain you again.
Sir, once again repeat 1/4.
1/4. I will repeat, ma. Listen. Just listen, ma. This 2 women and 5 men as a whole team. Okay, just they are a team, right? 2 women and 5 men. They are a team. Now this team is taking 4 days to complete the work. Okay, sorry, ma. Use some other color. Okay, this team is taking how many days to complete the work, ma? They are taking how many days to complete the work?
4 days.
4 days. Suppose, for example, they are constructing a wall. Okay, from this portion to this portion. From this portion A to B, they are constructing a wall. For constructing this wall from A to B, they need 4 days. That particular team, 4 days. So in 1 day, what they will do is they will complete up to 1/4 of the portion. 1/4 of the work they will complete because they are taking 4 days to complete, right? So in 1 day, they will complete up to this. In the second day, they will complete up to this portion from the here to here. In the third day, they will complete up to this portion. In the 4th day, they will complete fully. Yes or no? Which means in the first day, how many portions they will complete in 1 day? 1/4. In the second day, this 1/4. This is also 1/4 of the work. Third day also 1/4. And the 4th day also 1/4. So what is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4? That is 4/4. 4/4 is nothing but 1. 1 represents the work is completed. Are you able to understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again the same concept, ma. See here, just imagine this question. For example, one team, okay, the team of peoples they are filling the tank manually. They are filling the tank. They are filling the very big tank with water manually. They are taking 4 days to fill the entire tank. Which means in 1 day, that particular team will what is the work done by that particular team in 1 day? Or else how much amount of water will be filled in the tank in 1 day by the particular team? 1/4 of the tank. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
The same concept I'm writing here. That is why work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is 1/4, because both 2 women and 5 men together takes 4 days to complete the work. 4 days to complete the work means their 1 day work is 1/4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you understood this, right? Work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is equal to 1/4. Similarly, listen carefully. Similarly, what is the work done by 3 women and work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day?
1/3.
1/3. Very good. Because listen, again, I forgot to write that step. What we have to do is, listen, one more step, I'll write it here. Similarly, you can write it for the next one also. Okay, the previous one also. That is, okay, I'll write it like this, ma. 3 women and 6 men. 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in how many days? Can finish
3 days.
Yeah, can finish the work in 3 days. Okay, can finish the work in 3 days. Therefore, okay, therefore, work done, please write work done by 3 women and 5 men, sorry, and 6 men. 3 women and 6 men in 1 day. Work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day is equal to 1/3 of the work. That is 1/3, because they are taking 3 days to complete the work. So in 1 day, this team will do 1/3 of the work. That is 1/3. Are you able to understand this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So listen, first complete up to this one. Have you all completed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Listen, I have what to say, forgot to write a step here. Actually, before this step, okay, before this work done by 2 men, 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is 1/4, right? Before this step, please write one more step here. What you have to write is, okay, 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. That I forgot to write. Please write, ma. What you have to write now? Actually, I have written that in green, right? Please remove that. Please write a step here. Then the steps will be more meaningful. Okay, listen. Then you'll understand it when you go through again. Listen now. What you have to write is 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in, because it is given in the question, can finish the work in how many days, ma?
3 days.
Very good. Can finish the work in 3 days. Therefore, work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is 1 by, sorry, ma, this is not 3, right? This is 4. It is given in the question.
Sorry, sir. It's 4.
4. Okay, that is why we got work done by 2 women and 5 men in together in 1 day is 1/4. After this, we have written 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Therefore, work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day is 1/3. Therefore, work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day is 1/3. Okay, now we are going to form an equation now. So this is how, now only we are going to form equations based on the given condition. Shall we proceed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully, ma. So using this condition, I'm going to form an equation first. Listen. So this condition, work done by 2 women and 5 men together in 1 day is equal to 1/4, right? Using this condition, I'm going to form the equation first. So how I'm going to form the equation is, listen carefully. Listen, I'm going to highlight this. So work done by 2 women in 1 day. Listen, what is the work done by 1 woman in 1 day? If I have already written that, can anyone? 1 by x. Yes, very good. Listen, we have already got, because work done by 1 woman in 1 day is 1 by x. Now, what is the work done by 2 women in 1 day? 2 by x.
2x. 2 by x.
2 by x, because 2 times 1 by x. 1 woman's 1 day work is 1 by x. 1 woman 1 day work is 1 by x. So 2 women 1 day work is 2 times 1 by x. So 2 times 1 by x is 2 by x. Likewise, 5 men. Okay, 5 men 1 day work we have to find. What is the 1 day work of 1 man?
1 by y.
1 by y. 1 day work of 1 man is 1 by y. Therefore, what is the 1 day work of 5 men? 5 times 1 by y. So 5 times 1 by y is 5 by y. Are you able to understand?
5 by
5 by y. Therefore, using this condition, how to form an equation is very simple. Okay, listen. Therefore, work, okay, 2 women's 1 day work is 2 times 1 by x. Directly I am writing 2 by x plus, okay, 2 by x. Likewise, 5 men's 1 day work. 1 man's 1 day work is 1 by y. So 5 men's 1 day work is 5 by y. 5 by y. That is equal to, what is the answer, ma? 1 by
4.
1 by 4. Very good. That is equal to 1 by 4. So we got one equation. And next equation is, And next equation is, see here, 3 men's, listen carefully, I will use highlighting for this. So 3 women's, okay, 3 women, 1 day work. What is 3 women, 1 day work? What is 3 women's 1 day work?
3 by x.
3 by x, very good, 3 by x. And what is 6 men's 1 day work?
6 by 1.
6 by y. Therefore, okay, and therefore, what we'll get is 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to, okay, these 3 women and 6 men's, okay, together 1 day work is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 1 by 3. See, now we got 2 equations. We got how many equations? 2 equations. Okay, now we have to solve these 2 equations to find the value of x and y. Now we have to solve these 2 equations to find the value of x and y. Can listen, ma. So until this only, okay, we have to think. Now hereafter, all the solving part is same as the previous one. I have already taught you, right? Again, I'm going to teach you for this sum also. So here, in both the equations, the variable lies at the denominator. Am I right? In both the equations, the variable is in the denominator. So if the variable is in the denominator means, then what you have to do? We have to take that, we have to make the variable in the numerator, right? So for that, what we can do is, we can take, let 1 by x is equal to what we can take? Let 1 by x is equal to some other variable, that is a or c. It is up to you. I'm going to take a, and I'm going to take 1 by y as
B.
b. Now, therefore, 2 by x will become, listen, 2 by x, the meaning of 2 by x is 2 times 1 by x. 2 times 1 by x. Now, 2 times 1 by x is 2 into a, because 1 by x, the value of 1 by x is a. So therefore, 2 by x, this 2 by x will become 2a. Therefore, 2a plus 5 by y becomes
5B.
5b plus 5b, which is equal to 1 by 4. This is equal to
1 by
1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 4. Now, next equation is, what is the next equation?
3A plus
3a,
6.
because 3 by x means 3 times 1 by x, that is 3a, plus 6 by y. 6 by y is 6 into b, 6 into 1 by y, that is 6b. 6b, which is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now listen, here this, okay, 4 which is in the denominator, okay, we got these 2 equations. We can take this 4 and move it to the left hand side. It becomes multiplication, right? It becomes multiplication. So what will become, what will get is, this 4 which is in denominator, when taken to the left hand side, becomes 4 into 2a plus 5b is equal to, we have 1 in the numerator, that 1 will be coming. Now we can multiply this 4 inside. What you will get? 4 into 2a is distributive property. What is 4 into 2a? 8a plus what is 4 into 5b? 20, which is equal to
20b.
is equal to 1. So let it be equation number 1. Now it is in the perfect linear form. 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Okay, please complete up to this. Once you have completed up to this, please inform me.
Sir, please scroll it little up, sir. I'll write.
Okay, okay. Is it enough?
Yes, sir.
Listen, ma. Now we have taken this 4 in this equation to the left hand side, and we have got equation number 1. Now what we have to do is, we have to take this 3 in the next equation to the left hand side. That become multiplication to find another equation.
Complete, sir.
Okay, good. Now listen. Now this equation, okay, the second one. I'm going to take this 3 to the left hand side. So what you'll get when this 3 is taken to the left hand side, it becomes multiplication because this 3 is in the denominator. So what we'll get is, sorry, 1 minute.
9A.
Very good. I'll write one step. 3 into this 3 here, left hand side is 3a plus 6b, right? So 3 into 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. In that 3 they have taken to the left hand side, so 1 will be remaining in the right hand side, so it is equal to 1. Now we have to use distributive property. So 3 into 3a is 9a plus 3 into 6b is 18b. This is equal to 1, right? This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations to find the value of a and b. After finding a and b only, we can find the value of x and y. Okay, this is sorry, this is 9a. Looks like 99. Okay, this is 9a. Now, okay, I'm going to solve these two equations. Listen, so for solving the two equations, we can use any method because in this question they have not mentioned solve by substitution method or solve by elimination method. Nothing they have mentioned. So we can use any method to solve. So which method you feel easy among these two?
Elimination.
Elimination, huh? Yes?
Cross multiplication.
Sir.
Cross multiplication. Oh, do you have that method, cross multiplication? Yes. Cross multiplication, but I have not taught you so far. Okay. Okay, that method is also there in your syllabus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, for CBSE students, right, this method is in deleted portion. Okay, but you can learn this. Sorry, ma. For CBSE, it is also there, I think so. Okay, anyhow, I'll check. Listen. Okay, now I will solve these two equations by substitution method. I will solve. I'm going to solve it by using which method? Substitution method. So solving 1 and 2. So this is the topic you have to do now. Now how solving by substitution method? So for the first, I'm taking equation number 1. I'm taking equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Now I'm going to keep this 8a in the left hand side, taking this 20b to the right hand side, it will become minus 20b. So what we'll get is 8a is equal to 1 minus 20b. 1 minus 20b. Now next step is this 8 we have to take it to the right hand side. Therefore, we'll get 1. We can keep a alone in the right hand side. This a which is in multiplication, when it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes division. So 1 minus 20b divided by 8. Okay, this is the value of a. Now we have to substitute the value of a in the next equation, that is equation number 2. Completed up to this, in the value of a. Shall I proceed, ma? The next step.
Yes, sir.
Now, substituting the value of a is equal to, yes, ma. Are you still writing?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm going to proceed now. So substituting in short SUB, a is equal to 1 minus 20b whole divided by 8 in the next equation, that is equation number 2. So further, first we have to write equation number 2 one more time. That is 9a plus 18b, right? 9a plus 18b. 9a plus 18b. That is equation number 2 is 9a plus 18b is equal to, what is the right hand side of equation number 2? 1, na? 1. Okay. Right hand side is 1. Is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute. That is very simple, right? So what we'll get is, implies 9 times A is 1 minus 20B whole divided by 8 plus 18B is equal to 1. We have to simplify further to find the value of B, because now this equation is having only one variable, that is B. When we simplify this, we can find the value of B. Now listen, I'm going to multiply this 9 inside. So 9 into 1 is 9, minus 9 into 20 is 180B. So minus 180B whole divided by 8 plus 18B, which is equal to 1. Now we have to take LCM, because here the denominator is 8. So we can, how to do it is, I'm going to directly remove this bracket. So 9 minus 180B. This 8 when multiplied with this 18. What is 8? 8 into 18 now. 8 is 64. Is it 144 plus 144B? Because 8 into 18 is 144. Please check. Okay, I think it is 8. Okay, it is 144B whole divided by, listen, whole divided by this 8 we have to write, because 8 is the LCM. Sorry, ma, this is not visible. Okay, 8, which is equal to right hand side is 1. Please write up to this step. Okay, 9 minus 180B plus this 8 has to be multiplied with this 18B. So 8 into 18 is 144B whole divided by this 8 we have to put, which is equal to the same one in the right hand side. Able to understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next step is, now I'm going to take this 8 to the right hand side. This 8 which is in the denominator, when it is taken to the opposite side, becomes multiplication. So in the right hand side we have 1. So 1 into 8. It is 1 into 8. Now the numerator is, in the left hand side is 9. I'll write it 9. What is minus 180B plus 144B? Minus 180B plus 144B. Because one is minus and another one is plus. And what you have to do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So what is 180 minus 144? Is it 36?
Yes, sir.
So minus 36B. The answer is minus 36B. Okay, minus 36B, which is, it implies, now we got 9 minus 36B is equal to 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. It implies, now I'm going to take this plus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 9, right? When this plus 9, there is no sign, means there is plus. When it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes minus. So minus 36B is equal to 8 minus 9, it becomes minus 9. What is 8 minus 9? That is minus 1. Left hand side is minus 36B. Now both the sides are negative, so we can cancel this negative sign. So 36B is equal to 1. We have 36 into B is equal to 1. So when this 36, which is in multiplication, taken to the opposite side, becomes division. So B is equal to, okay, this 36 taken to the opposite side becomes division. So the value of B is 1 by 36. Okay, this is the right answer one. Please put a box. So we got the value of B as 1 by 36. Okay, please complete up to this.
Finish, sir.
Okay, now
Sir.
what you have to do next step is, you have to find the value of A by substituting. Okay, by substituting B is equal to 1 by 36 in any one of the equation. So substituting B is equal to 1 by 36 in which equation we can substitute, Mari? 1 or 2? Which is easier?
Equation 1.
Equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? 8A plus 20B, yeah, is equal to 1. Okay, listen. So B is equal to 1 by 36 in equation number 1. So first you have to write what is equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 8A plus 20 into B is equal to 1. Okay, 8A plus 20 into B is equal to 1. Now I'm going to substitute over here. So what you'll get is 8A plus 20 into B. B is 1 by 36. So 20 into 1 by 36, which is equal to 1. Now see here, we can cancel this using 4 table, because 20 and 36 have 4 as its HCF. So 5 fours are 20 and 9 fours are 36. 5 fours are 20 and 9 fours are 36. Now what we will get is 8a plus 5 into 1 is 5, 5 by 9. So plus 5 by 9, which is equal to 1. Please write up to this.
Done.
Done, Nama. Okay, good. Now listen, next step is we have to find the value of a. So first we have to move this plus 5 by 9 to the right hand side. Okay, this 5 by 9 becomes minus 5 by 9. So 8a is equal to 1 minus 5 by 9. So what we will get is, it implies 8a is equal to 1 minus 5 by 9 is, so we can simplify this. So 9 into 1 is 9, minus 5 is there, whole divided by the same 9. 9 minus 5 by 9. So what we will get, 8a is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Now next step. Okay, next step is this 8 we have to take it to the right hand side, becomes division. So a is equal to 4 by, already in the denominator we have 9. This 8 will be multiplied with this denominator 9. So 8 into 9. Now we can simplify this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, what is the value of a now? 1 by, what is 2 into 9? 18. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 1 by 18. Okay, please write. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 1 by 18. Now we got the value of a as well as we got the value of b. With the help of this a and b, we have to find the value of x and y. Shall I proceed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
so in this question,
sir.
what we have assumed is, 1 minute. In this question, we have assumed, we have taken 1 by x as a. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, we have to use that condition now. 1 by x is taken as a and 1 by y is taken as
B.
b. Now we have to apply the value of a and b here. So 1 by x is equal to a is 1 by 18 and here 1 by y is equal to b is 1 by 36, right? 1 by 36. Now we need to find the value of x. So 1 by x is that. So in order to find the value of x, we have to take reciprocal on both sides. So when taking reciprocal on both sides, this 1 by x becomes x by 1. X by 1 is x only. And what is the reciprocal of 1 by 18? That is 18 by 1. So 18 by 1 is nothing but 18. Likewise, here also we are going to take reciprocal on both sides. So 1 by y becomes y by 1, that is y. And 1 by 36, the reciprocal of 1 by 36 is 36. So hence the value of x and y are 18 and 36. So which is taken as x ma? X is the number of days taken by one woman alone to complete the work. Am I right or wrong? Sorry.
Sir.
2 women.
Sorry ma. Which one we have taken as x ma? Okay, yes, x only. Yes, listen carefully ma. So therefore, we have taken number of days taken by one woman alone to complete the embroidery work is x. Okay, hence the number of days, n word in short, n word, number of days taken by one woman alone. Okay, one woman alone to complete the embroidery work. To complete the embroidery work. Okay, I'll use the, okay, because in question they have given embroidery work, right? Complete the embroidery work is how many days ma? One woman alone takes how many days to complete the work? That is x, taken as x, right? What is the answer? Work is 18 days. So in 18 days, one woman will finish the work. Likewise, what is the number of days taken by one man alone to complete the same work?
36.
36 days, which means women, okay, is how to say, doing the work very fastly, embroidery work. Okay, and the number of days taken by 1 men alone to complete the embroidery work is y days. Here y is 36, so that is 36 days. So this is how you have to complete the sum. So 36 days and 18 days, okay, is the right answer. Please complete. Is it easy, ma, the sum? Even though it is lengthy,
Yes.
but the question is, the answer is easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Have you all understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So with this, we'll stop the class today. In the next class, we can continue, ma. I'll clarify those in any exercise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to stop the screen sharing. Have you all completed writing this?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, ma. Good night, everyone.